In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a YouTube video script using Chatgpt. The first thing is head over to the Chatgpt and sign in your account. If you don't, then it will ask you to sign in your account. Now, how can we write the YouTube video description? And it will be worthy. Means Chatgpt is good enough to write a good description about my YouTube video. So first I will ask to GPT, are you good in writing YouTube description? So let me ask, and I asked, are you good in writing YouTube video description? If yes, then which thing I need to provide for writing a detailed description for my video? I will click on this arrow, and it will start generating. And now it's saying, yes, I am good. I need to provide these things. The first thing, video title and topic, main steps, key points if you have in your video. And what should be your target audience, means video made for the gamers, content creator. Call to action, plus links or hashtag and keywords. So if you want to get the description, then you need to provide these things to the Chatgpt. Our easy way is we'll ask all these to Chatgpt, because GPT is also good in creating this type of thing. Now I will ask to GPT, if I only provide the title, then will you be able to create a video topic and all remaining things? So let me ask it. I will click on this arrow. Okay, so it say yes. If I only provide the title, then it will generate all the remaining thing. So now here you have to write your video title, means your video is about how to do things like how to change Facebook password, or if you are a vlogger or a gamer. I will ask to GPT to write a script based on my story, and also need to write keyword, hashtag, and call to action. So let me write. After writing everything, I will click on this arrow. Now here you can see it write the whole story. If I scroll down, here you can read each and single thing about my story. Now, if I scroll down more, here you can see call to action button, hashtag with the keywords. So in simple thing, you just need to provide your video title to the Chatgpt, and then Chatgpt will write each and single thing for you. So it will be very helpful if you want to begin your YouTube channel or anything. I will suggest you to use it from today.